How to use Clio legal billing software properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Clio billing is as simple as entering hours and generating invoices, but the surprising truth is that beginner mistakes can lead to lost revenue, client disputes, or compliance issues. The first mistake is incorrect time tracking. Entering incomplete or inaccurate hours can result in underbilling or disputes. Beginners should track time diligently, use timers, and categorize tasks properly. Another common error is not customizing billing templates. Generic invoices may confuse clients or omit required information. Beginners should adjust templates to include payment terms, itemized services, and applicable taxes. Many users also overlook expense tracking. Clio allows adding expenses, but beginners sometimes forget to record costs for court fees, filing charges, or other billable items. Missing expenses can impact revenue and accounting accuracy. Failing to set up automated reminders is another pitfall. Late payments can hurt cash flow. Beginners who skip reminders or payment notifications may face delays and extra administrative work. Finally, some users ignore reporting and reconciliation. Clio provides analytics to review unpaid invoices, client balances, and revenue trends. Beginners who don't utilize reports miss insights that can improve collections and business planning. To use Clio legal billing properly, track time accurately, customize invoices, record all expenses, enable automated reminders, and review reports regularly. Avoid these mistakes, and your billing process will be efficient, accurate, and professional.